I used to weigh a lot more, and because of my bad eating habits and everything that I did, I actually got some, minor to mid neuropathy in my feet, to where I would have tingling at night, and I would get red splotches, and it would get very painful sometimes. And ever since I started taking STEMREGEN, it's now gone away. What made me think STEMREGEN would help me is, I know a little bit about stem cell and, what stem cells do in our body. After talking with Robert, he told me about the product, and another relationship that we have used it for an ankle injury. And I spoke to that gentleman, and he was very pleased with the outcome. And so I told Robert to give me a bottle. Big improvement, the thing that I've seen the most, I've been taking the product for a little over 5 months now, is really the pain and the colorization, the things that would happen generally when I would fly on planes, or, drive long distances, or wear shoes for a long time and socks and not let my feet breathe. That is the biggest thing that I've seen. I kind of did a test as well. I stopped taking the product just to see what would happen. Minorly came back, nothing major, but it was kind of me proving to myself that what I'm doing by taking this product, it is doing what I thought it was doing. What surprised me the most about STEMREGEN is that, just after a few days, I actually started seeing improvement. Less tingling, and then by day 10 the tingling and the things that would happen were gone. What I can do now is go to, say, a city and walk with my wife, and we just went to Charleston, South Carolina, and I can be out for hours and be on my feet to where there's no complications. That's the biggest thing that I've seen. Boomer's old, he's a golden retriever, 12 years old. And we got STEMREGEN, and all three of my dogs love it, but Boomer's the oldest and getting around a lot better, and jumping up on the bed, and he likes it. Rick Henry, Rowlett, Texas.